telling me why you didn't leave Mississippi.
Yeah? What'd she say?
She said you stayed on and took after your father.
Yeah, I guess.
True?
I ain't no saint. I mean, we got a good business. Ain't no reason to leave. This is the new Mississippi. I like it here.
It's not where I live. You know how many people come to our motel? And they look at us. They say, not another goddamn Indian. It makes me so mad.
Yeah. Well, Miss Masala, racism, or as they say nowadays, tradition, it's passed down like recipes. Now, the trick is you got to know what to eat and what to leave on your plate. Yeah. Otherwise, you'll be mad forever.
And you'll never eat.
And you'll never eat. That's right. World looks good from up here. I say we travel together. What do you say?
I say yes.
Yes! We go to Jamaica.
We go to Japan.
We go to Africa.
Colombia.
We go to Madagascar.
And then we go to India.
Reunion Island.
Where's that?